Hey there, it's Rick Khan from rickkhan.com, and in this video I'm going to answer the question of which is best to use, the Facebook ads daily budget versus the lifetime budget, and how to choose wisely. Because even though you can use both of these budgets in any type of campaigns that you run, there are different reasons why you would use one over the other. And by the end of this video, you should have the confidence to decide which is best for you. And perhaps best of all, you'll know which one, in my opinion, is better to use most of the times, which for the short answer is the daily budget, but not in the way you might expect. Because first, why is there a choice and why would you use one over the other? Well, with lifetime budgets, you're essentially putting a start and an end date into your ad spend and telling Facebook how much you want to spend over the duration of that campaign. Now, this optimization can be good if you have a time limit on an offer that you're running, and you want to make sure you don't want to run that campaign over a certain duration without you having to continue to check it and micromanage that campaign. And what can also be good for some people is that it gives peace of mind if they're worried about spending too much into their ads. Now, with the daily budget, you're basically essentially putting a cap on the amount you spend on a daily basis. Well, here's the thing. Even though you're telling Facebook how much you want to spend each day, depending on Facebook's algorithm, they may still spend less on some days and more on other days, and it all depends where it thinks it should be spending. So where can you set each of these budgets? Well, there are two different places that you can set the budgets, which is one, at the campaign level, where this lifetime or daily budget will be spent across each ad set, or two, you can set this at the ad set level, putting in your daily or lifetime spend. So still, the question is, which should you use? Well, for me, I like to use daily budgets because I like to have the full control over how much I spend on my campaigns and where I want to distribute this. And what's good about daily budgets is that it's easy to know what to expect, as you know how much you'll be spending per day. And perhaps best of all, using a daily budget is better for evergreen campaigns that can run from 6 months to a year and beyond, where scaling is easier and you can increase smaller budgets over time or even decrease the budget without having to increase the bigger budget over the lifetime of the campaign. And for more about scaling, there should be a link popping up, or if you go into the description, I'll leave a link there. But if I ever use a lifetime budget, it would be only for a couple of reasons, which is if there was a special promotion that's on a time limit, or I don't want to micromanage certain types of campaigns, then I would set the lifetime budget. But my recommendation is to use the daily budget and control the cost of your campaigns. And with that said, which do you currently use? I'd love to hear if you comment below which campaign budget you like to set and what you think works best for you. And with all that said, if you want the latest updates, make sure to subscribe, and you can check out the videos that should be displayed right now for more Facebook tips and tricks. And until then, I'll see you in the next video.